Time to clean her all out. Sea foam going down the gullet. Nice. Oh yeah, he's running good now. Woo, smoked up the shop pretty heavy. Get a fan going on that. I still can't, well, I'm too impatient, if I'm being honest, to wait to see if it's full circulating and all that. It needs to be flushed out anyway. I'm gonna replace the upper and lower hoses, give the radiator a flush, probably flush out the engine as well, just to clear all that out. I did flush out the heater core. That flowed good and clear after just a short time, so there's easy flow through that, so not worried about that. The heater is on all the time, so that's going to be really hot in the cab. I got to figure out how to rig up a switch to turn that on and off. For now, I'm happy that everything's working and whatnot. Before I took my wife for a ride last night, I couldn't get it started again after I turned it off. I'm 95+% sure that I'm vapor locking. So I'm going to go get some insulated line to put over the fuel inlet, see if that helps clear that up at all. I'm wondering if the radiator, like the thermostat, that's the word I'm searching for. I'm wondering if the thermostat isn't opening, or it's staying open. Basically, it's not functioning properly. So when I do my flush and all that stuff, I'm going to replace that as well. Basically do a total coolant overhaul on it. The radiator itself holds really good pressure. There's no leaks there. It's never leaked any coolant out the bottom. Lucky on that. But that's kind of where I'm at right now. I think I'm going to close this video out so I can get it edited and uploaded to you guys much quicker. This is Troy with DIY Home and Auto with Wallace the 66, sitting right next to Midnight Maroon. Had to make eye contact so that I got the name right. That's the way it works in my brain. 79 Ford F250 dent side model. We're in the process of getting that thing back on the road as well. It's got a rebuilt motor in it. We're in the process of getting that timing set right. It does fire up, but it runs really rough, so I've got some work to do on that guy. This one is really close. Just this coolant issue, the vapor lock issue, and figuring out lights, tail lights, turn signals, all that jazz, so that it can be safely on the road. It's registered and insured, so I can drive it, but I do need turn signals. Hand signals out the window. Not doing it for me. Anyway, this is Troy, DIY Home and Auto, checking out. See you guys in the next video.